Richard P. Valgardson.
Mayor Billings, Council, you've done very well so far, Mayor. Maybe they'll give you a few more responsibilities. I've lived in Provo my whole life. I was born in Provo. I grew up playing in Kiwanis Park. I've had the opportunity to do quite a bit of traveling in the Western United States. I was educated in Provo City schools, Brigham Young University, where I had the opportunity to play a little bit of football, though I'm not very noteworthy, but I had the opportunity. I've also been able to have our own businesses. I have worked with virtually every city council up and down the Wasatch Front, from Logan to Santaquin to also St. George area. I've seen a lot of good things. I've also worked with a lot of city councils and a lot of areas that in the California area, in the Colorado area, the Bay Area, Los Angeles County, and also many other areas. And I've seen how city councils can provide for people an environment that is good, bad, and also ugly. So I have a great deal of experience that I would be able to bring to this council. I have my own business. For over 40 years, I've been able to make payroll every single Friday, and I know what the responsibilities are to be able to make payroll. With my background in accounting and finance, I'm able to understand financial statements. I'm able to know what one has to do to make things work. I like to see people have the right to work with their own property, to be able to develop their own property, to have the opportunity to make themselves grow and develop in their family. But also we have to remember that anything that a citizen does, they do not have the right to be able to have that infringe upon the property value of their neighbors. And so there's a great balancing act there. I need to commend the council as I come in to Provo, as I come into this valley, either from the south or from the north. Provo is the brightest star in this valley, and I appreciate very much the work that this council has done and prior councils have done. I've had my family reared here, and we've enjoyed the opportunities of peace and safety, being able to walk the streets at night, virtually almost all night if you wanted to. And we have good fire, we have good protection, we have good safety, which the city has been able to provide for us. And I need to say that this is definitely, this is the place. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Valgardson.